Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Jar jar jai jai janai wati phin sa shem kumnu ngi ja lenti bat poi kani ka ktem bathat lai sien lai wat kinjri wala su thiet Weng ya ka Jingdum ya ki Tala Pynpra bat liet dan nong buat ni nong Ïalam banum yo duna ni sha shim tam da ka batli ka bor da ba yeng bet ha ka kam ki hok la jong khen kor te nong rem lang bat ka kam da ka batli ka bor da ba yeng bet ha ka kam kini gide ki kentien na ka Jingrwai ka kam kan Ïalam balapen mi da ka kam Megalia ha ka la sngi uble ha ka Jingyalang ka bala long haslem tre kam jong ka ya kani ka Jingrwai la pelat pat ba dei merat perel karsen tiu bat ikong emi rangat kani ka Jingrwai ka dei kumshi benta na ka jingya khon election MLE ki laingut ki kurtong ka kam ki ba kan thop ya ka kong Angela rangat na South Shillong kong wan pen hon karsen tiu na East Shillong baduba kersoi bor pertu na North Shillong constituency kinong Ïalam ka kam Megalia ki laong ba kani ka dei karwai khon bat ya treilang bat ka Jingrwai jong ki pat ba nong song snong kani ka Jingrwai kami na ka thwei berkhat ki pat ba nong song snong ki baya khon bat 3 minute man na ka sngi bat ka jingya khon na ka banta ka senshar hok ka bishar hok bat ka trei kam ka basai bat ai jingkhen ka kam bat ki kortong jong ka ki yeng ha ka nong rem jong ka hok ka jingya long mar ringkat bat ya buram kelyang ki laong la tho ya ka Jingrwai do ba kam pher mak swear bala pin bet pin biang ya ka Jingrwai da ka kinhun daminon bala ruai da ka kong tipriti kharbangar kum joru ki volunteer jong ka kam ki layashim benta shit rahem ka kam ka de ka kintien ka bakit ya ka ju ka jingmot ha ka tien khasi garo hindi bengali bat ka de ka Jingrwai ka ba mi na ki pat ba bat ka de ru na ka benta ki pat ba nong song snong
An anthem of solidarity for the people will be released. We want to put on record our thanks to all of the people who have volunteered to make this happen. From the songwriter who is here with us, Mark, Tipriti, unfortunately she has rehearsal so she couldn't be here, Daminot for composing the song, the artists who have done the artwork for the video, and all of the people who believe in what Come is trying to do. Because this is not just a song, it's not an election song, it is a song which is about people, for people, and about ideas and commitment. And we hope that it will be received that way.
To release a song for Come. I stand here also for the family. We have been told by Angela some time ago that she is thinking of coming out as a leader because that is the need. And as a family, we have supported her, we have encouraged her, and we hope that she will be able to do what she aspires to do. We have been involved in, let's say, politics or government with my mother, first of all. Long years ago, she also felt that there was a need for a leader to come out who will be for the people. And that is the purpose of being a leader, for the people, not for the self. And then we had late Changhok Rangat, my brother, who also had the same feeling that there is a need for new leadership. There's a need for new power so that the people of the state will be led in a proper way, to be led seeing the future which will be good, not a future which is destructive. Tenat ban la ban wani may eat la kundai pus lai stem tara pidang la ban wan pidang la ban ya na man belai tapi kwa man long lang ban kanika kam mo di kanika si ka long kom kerpang banginya pelat yang kata ruai kaba ra bat ka kat kumanga la pule kara bat ka kata ruai kara bat ka ya ka jing sangsot jong ka snong ka ta jong ka jela jumi nre jo ko poru kadon kata ka Jingrwai. But kata ka Jingrwai ka Ïalam sakmat. But then aspiration, we only having aspiration kalong ba ni kwa ban le ya ka ban bha, ka ban Pynpra. Thì cũng có những cái xem rồi như Krishan, vậy Angela, và như Carmen và cái baro cái Ïalam sẽ cái Jingrwai. Okay, at this moment we are releasing this song, or is it an anthem or a song? Is the anthem for the calm.
And we hope that even those who don't understand Khasi will be able to get with the song with the subtitle. So at this point of time, I would like to invite Mark Swear, without whom I think this song would have never come to life. I mean, it began with Mark penning down these words, and everybody then came on board after reading the very, very powerful words. So may I invite Mark to say?
It's the first time, so I hope it's not too bad. I don't know what else I can say. The words are all on these walls here, but these words have meaning. In the times that we live in, I think these words have taken on greater meaning, acquired greater depth, and all I've done in these lyrics is try to capture what Come is doing every day and what they've done in the last 5 years or 6 years. A grassroots movement, I think, that is like none other that we've seen here. So that's the inspiration. That's where the words came from. And of course, it comes from looking at our own society critically, and also, like Kong Himi had said, to look forward, to find ways to not be helpless, to find ways to fight, to find ways to fight back, and to stand in solidarity with those who are fighting back. So that is the gist of the song, and I just wish that the composers were here and the singers, because the words are only, just the first layer of the onion, as they say. It's the composers and the singers who have added these layers and layers, and who have made it what it is. And of course, the video was very nicely done. I think the last part with the members of Come were enjoying themselves brings a smile to to your face. So nicely done. But that's what this song is about. Like Angela said at the beginning, we hope that people just don't look at this as purely an election song, as a song that's made to garner votes. Well, I hope it does. I mean, that's one part of it. But it's also meant to be more than that. It's meant to be, like it says, an anthem of solidarity for people from all walks of life, for people from all sections of society, to come together and fashion a new politics, fashion a new way of looking at things, because we need it. And, so that's what this song is about, and I hope it's, even if I have to say so myself, it's probably the coolest election song there is. I've never seen a cooler election song, at least visually. So, that's what the song is about, and Kakam Ïalam. I hope it does. I hope it does. All the best.
Hakani ka jing thau jo kani ka Jingrwai na do inong tho tu ki bawan lam ya ka put ka tem tipriti iba naman semi darwai kani ka Jingrwai hadu ba ka dakta si sayang ni baro but mikmik linti ba kan dei ka Jingrwai ka ba haki post number 1 ro kan tu ki pa ba kan lam linti ba na ko ban ai Pyllait men ta ka siru ya pi baro ki don mang sang ni kam tam ya I kong perlin kasuntiu I jong I kong wan penhun dai polai snam na trai lai I bon ki ne ka constituency na ki constituency na kan jilla ba dia phiru kum ju ya ki lingba jong phi hi ba kan ne ka Jingrwai kan nang pur ba kan nang poi ki skol ju ki we
ma phi ni ran ni ma ki candidates ki ban yakun naki constituency developer kong na po so Shillong ba na not Shillong but East Shillong but kani ka singi ka ba man ta ni ya don lang khang ni but nga pampa ka jing kwen ka crowd but ka jing Pyllait ya baro kinu kershan ki bala penlong ya kedi kesni kasih kebaca apa kalau Ïalam pelat pada kata ka anthem song ka Jingrwai mak kabalik singim ong apa kedi ka Jingrwai election hendai ngi ai ya kana mak dak buram jong ka ni ka Jingrwai shabaro kidong song jong kedi ka zilla ka jongi kedi ka Jingrwai hoat kumbala karan lamat phang li wei lagi riurang ba bne khaman ba kedi ka Jingrwai ka bala dak phis ngap ki Pyllait jingmut bah kadang ka jing sangsot si kijing kiba mangi kum kajela kum kinong shong shnong ma nak shnong wa pero nilai kendu kidi ki pau snem ki bala lek no ki hnrei ha kaju papawat kadon pateru kata kajing angnut ya kajing kerban ka batmai te hakadi ka Jingrwai la seiru ya kita ki kentien ba kipat ba nong shong shnong hi kila pun putulong ya kini kijing amnun kibanwan ra apat ikajing kermen kabatmai nakabenta kemlang salam kajongi
ka keten khasiat khashit ong hi kunta ba kam kan Ïalam ba ngatrai nginget bhai kata ba number 1 ni hab antrai stom ni hab antrai habangi kwa ban wan lam ta kajing kala ba kata kajing trai stom berbor kajing the app kajing berkat tuson ni ki bero kamchu shu le no ai bat ka wan bet ta ka ai mo ka wan bet ka bor kan wan bet ka ta ka kan ple bet ka lat yang i baro
kani ke Jingrwai ke ke bok laba hangni ngi song meeting aba office ke jongi ngi perkhat ya ke kerteng jong ke Jingrwai nama rum rong thau jong ke Jingrwai wat laila thau ke Jingrwai ke sultanat bu ke shom sim inde i angi bangin ai kerteng jong ke Jingrwai ngi song ni iwani wei kong iba yarap kam ini iba yarap na selendet ia di sha yong ka kam kan Ïalam kata ka di kerteng jong Jingrwai ka dei si sha ka jing no senyang jong wei pi wei nong song snom ki volunteer ki nong rai ngim dap ka jing songo yaki ikong activity nantai kan hon dominant nantai ba mak or iba bariru ke studio ka jong i ka bangi penan kam kum ka yeng na jong moi sotu ba mengiru ngi ketua Jingrwai le bai sementai ki pat ba dei ki volunteer ki jongi ki bom Jingrwai da don mantang alai ngut ki Jingrwai koyaru la se la kam sultanat la kam state ka recording ding Jingrwai mengi ke simpor marngi habanya ruai si ruai te ka wandur pat te ngimla ru klam da ai ku blei ki basnai ki video bat ki dur ki bos le se bin i video Deiru ke bagi beliau kia pusan nang, ya ke jinglong jingman jong ke jela ke jungi jong ke ri ke jungi, bat kia mudur lang bade ya ke por ke bansawan. Ti kumtangi khot lang ki pat ba ke kam ke nget ha ki khun cenrang ki keme ha ki khun kan thei ki kpa, si rong si sur si dur si hok si kentin, ngine yeng lang ban klepat ya ke ni ke ri ke bala syak set kemensim bat ke jimut ke jimperkat
bat ka khubor hi le se kalong ma na ka kerteng jong Jingrwai hi ka kam kan Ïalam kawi ka banga ka banai khubor kalong ba shaki pai ba thong snong baro kan thup ikinong chong snong ki badon hakini ki constituency ki ba mangingin sami ban pun kaburam ka baning kong ka bangi de ban ai ngin ai radi namar ka jingtre shitam ka de ka jomi ka bangila bat pentulun ka shalantam jogi yang kasam ka jogi Dailung ba kajing tray shitom kajong pi kabab himi ban tray ban kata ban kamay ka hok malakasni bapila ban pentnam yaw khiuja khiujinta ahiyeng pen kadang ikun ban laj na kata kajing thia jing et kajing thia shathan te ngin kan ma ga ka kentien ba kam kan Ïalam bat ka kam ka kersani